everybody! Do, 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 do. Ooh! Chase is on the case.
Green, blue, purple, pink, orange. Hi everyone! Welcome back to Toys Unlimited. Today, we're learning our colors with the help of Disney and Nick Jr. Before we get started, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Whoa! There's our first thumbs up. Whoa! Another one. The more thumbs up this video gets, the more videos we do like this. But if you don't want to see videos like this, give it a big thumbs down. Let's start with our first color here. This one has Daisy Duck. Daisy Duck also has a purple hairpiece. Purple! Yay! Brand new Hatchimals! Shake it up, there's a baby inside. And warm up its heart. Ooh, this heart made a cool design. Coming for you, baby. Give me just a second. Oh, it's so beautiful. We have an itty bitty baby lion. Whee! Dun-dun-dun. It feels tiny. Whoa! Hey, where'd you go? We have the Cloud Man.
One way leads to safety, the other way leads to certain doom.
Daisy Duck has the color purple. Purple. Which color matches the body of our lion? Let's see if we can find it. This one here. Mickey Mouse has orange slime. Orange. Doc McStuffins and Mickey Mouse. Of course we're going to open up Mickey Mouse. Wow! He is so cool. Okay, here's the question of the day. Do you know what movie this alien is from? Also, before we get to the color, what color is his head? If you know, let me know by putting your answer in the comments down below. We also have Doc McStuffins. No peeking. We have Professor Hoots. She has the color pink. Mickey Mouse has the color orange. Here's Professor Hoots. Which color matches Professor Hoots' pink? That's right. Minnie Mouse has a pink bow and pink slime. Slimy. Pink. Care Bears. They usually have... Whoa! We have Love-A-Lot Bear. But do you know what Love-A-Lot Bear is? Pink, of course. This is perfect. We also have a blind bag. This one features all of our favorite characters from Beauty and the Beast. Wow! Mrs. Potts, she's so pretty. Woo! Minnie had the color pink. Pink. There's our little alien. Let's match his head to one of the colors. Right there! I think that's the closest. Chase has the color green. Ooh, gooey.
Meow. Let's throw some green slime on his head. Meow.
Green. Puppies! Okay, I have a question for you. Do you know what show Chase is from? What show is Chase from? We have Briar Dog. Oh, it's tiny. Oh, there's lots of them. Look how tiny and cute. We have a little wrinkle puppy. And we have a big gray and white doggy. Do you want to name the puppies for me? Ew, slimy. But if you want to name these puppies, you can put your names down in the comments down below. Give these cute little guys a name for me. That would really help me out.
Oof, 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 oof. I want a name. Oof, 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 oof. I want a name too. Let's go play. Oof, 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 oof.
And of course, minions. Minions, minions, minions. Hey, who is it? This one here is Three Little Pigs, Minion Kevin.
Minion, Minion. Hi, puppy. Minion, Minion.
Chase had the color green. Green. Which color is left? That's right. All that we have left is Donald Duck.
What's your favorite color? Mine is blue.
So, since his favorite color is blue, he has blue slime. Blue. LOL surprises! Yay! Here's how they work. They have 7 layers. You can get a secret message, collectible stickers, a bottle and shoes, even an outfit, accessory, and our pretty, pretty doll. Ew! Here's our hint. I've had this one before. Fire and bags can also be hot and stuff. Hot stuff. Each LOL doll either cries, changes colors, pees, and spits.
Howdy.
Look at this cute one.
Keep going, partner.
That's not all. Bag number 1.
Getting close. Score.
Bag number 2.
Meow. Hang in there, baby.
Popping the secret latch. And the main compartment. Let's go straight to opening our baby. I haven't gotten this one before. I'm excited. Whoa, she's so pretty. I love the hairdo she got.
Mama, I'm so cold.
Aw, if you're so cold, let's get you dressed magically.
Okay, 1, 2. Surprise! I am Miss Baby.
Oh my goodness, she is so cute. Look at those white shoes. Miss Baby, she even has her crown.
Thank you very much.
Donald had the color blue, orange, pink, purple, blue, and green. Bye everyone! Thanks for learning your colors today with the help of our Disney friend. This was Nat, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. That way we know to do more videos like this. Or if you don't want to see any more, give it a big thumbs down. See you later! Bye!